everybody, Paul Oster, the nation's credit repairman and the president of Better Qualified LLC. We are your business and consumer credit experts. Today I'd like to talk to you about your business credit. As a broker owner, it is imperative that you understand how business credit works, and most broker owners don't. Just ask Hector Castillo. When Hector came to us, although he has a great corporation, he had no business credit at all. His paydex score was a 0. He's now at an 80 paydex score. And what does that mean for Hector? He can buy a car with no personal guarantee. He can register it, insure it, and purchase it under his corporation's credit only, no personal guarantee. Credit cards, gas cards, lines of credit, office equipment, all with no personal guarantees. Today is the day that you need to figure out how to separate your business and personal credit. This is an exclusive offer for Exit Downstate of New York only, okay? Here's the deal. You call in today, I'm going to give you an absolutely free copy of your Dun & Bradstreet Business Credit Report. That's going to tell us exactly what we have to do to help you build your business credit.